Our brains are the stewards of our bodies. You don't have to have a good imagination for visualization to work, although it may help. Visualization relies on the concept of the law of attraction. The basic principle is that the things we think will eventually begin to shape our reality. Visualization works in a way that repetitive words and lists and plans don't. Processing images and implementing them to our daily lives is a great way to help us prepare for the future. Another useful way to utilize visualization is for communication. Another way that visualization has helped us throughout history is the alphabet. The way we act tends to be more influenced by the negative events in our lives than by the positive events. Visualization can work against us if we are not aware of the negativity bias. Interrupt your bad thought patterns with distractions and reminders of positive things. Our brains love pictures. One of the secrets to successful visualization is to have a physical reminder that we can focus our attention on. A great way to begin successful visualization is to create a vision board. The purpose of a vision board is to help you to stay motivated. One of the techniques that we can and should use is utilizing affirmations. Mornings are very important because they tend to set the tone for our entire day. One great way to begin to get yourself on track is to write your goals down. You can achieve your goals and dreams, and visualization will help you to get there.